All units, I got a suspect heading at a high rate speed, heading northbound, black Mustang.
10-4, taking it from northern, something like that. I might not be leaving a note.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. While you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. In today's video, we are doing a little bit more data logging with my 2019 Roush Stage 3 Mustang. I'm taking it out, doing a 6-gear pull, 2500 to redline, which is approximately 8500 RPMs. With that being said, I do have some octane booster in the tank today because we're trying to determine if there's a problem with the vehicle or if it's just a problem related to low octane. When I had my Focus RS, I definitely had an issue with octane in Fresno, where the octane rating was just too low, and I knew that was the problem because I got some 100 octane, put it in the tank, and did a run, and all of a sudden all my knock issues went away. So with that being said, if we determine that the 91 here just isn't efficient enough for the tune, we're just gonna make it a conservative tune, and well, let's just say we have some big things coming in the near future. So right now I'm on my way to my spot. It's actually pretty cool out tonight. Let me roll up the window. I apologize about the audio. It's been pretty cool out the last few nights, so it's like the perfect time to do a data log. So what better thing to do? I mean, it has to be done regardless whether it be hot or not, but my IATs are going to remain a lot lower. It's going to give me power throughout the red line, which is a good thing. Right now it is 68 degrees out, so very nice, and definitely appreciate it. Alright, so I actually have somebody on the outside of on the freeway, of course. That's going to be recording me doing a flyby, so that should be pretty interesting for the video. Let's see if we can see them. They're pulled over on the side of the freeway. So again, I don't know if you remember from the last time, but you're going to want to be on sport mode so it holds the gear the whole time. And you're going to want to use the paddle shifters to get into 6th or 7th gear, whatever your tuner wants. In this case, my tuner wants me in 6th gear because, well, 6th gear goes all the way up to like 151, 152. So we don't want to be much more than that for obvious reasons. But start the log, and let's go. definitely happy with how my car is pulling now. I don't believe I got any knock. The reason why I say that is because I have these LEDs set up to pop on when it sees a knock. So every time that the car detects knock, an LED will turn on right here telling me that it pulled timing. So that's how I have my N-Gauge set up, and I didn't see any pop up. Now of course I'm focused on driving. I'm going to review the video as well to make sure that I didn't see any, but to my knowledge I definitely didn't see any, so that's a good sign by itself. With that being said, I'm gonna send these logs off to Palm Beach Dyno, and hopefully everything is good with it. If it is, we'll continue on with the 91 tune or make adjustments, whatever we have to do. Probably just make the tune more conservative to be safe and not have any knock, more of like a daily driver tune, and then we'll figure something out for fueling in the near future. Alright guys, so I just got word from the tuner that everything is looking good with the Roush. It turns out that the knock was due to the octane, so with the octane booster was running much better, but we're still putting the tune on hold. Quiet mode to loud mode. Anyhow, we're putting the tune on hold until we might have something coming in the mail, so we're just gonna wait on it. There's no reason to continue if we're gonna have to do a retune anyhow. I'm so excited. This car is gonna be so much faster. I'm looking forward to it. This car is gonna be an absolute monster on the street, so stay tuned for that. With that being said, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on with the tune. It's been a minute, and big things are coming with this car, and potentially other things in the channel as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, smash that thumbs up button, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you might think what modification is coming to the Roush. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.